In the sales or finance offices, imagine replacing artwork with monitors that can double as a large screen presenter. Using our exclusive interactive platform, staff or customers can switch between finance videos and special offers. When not being used for selling, the system can silently run through promotions, videos, and digital artwork to keep a customer's focus on the sales process. The Digital Dealership System offers a premium suite of digital sign and kiosk solutions for the modern dealer. The professionally designed and installed solutions increase dealer profits and drive future growth for all brands and sizes of dealerships. The constantly growing list of services and integrations make the Digital Dealership System the right partner for today's dealership and tomorrow's market leader. Visit our website or contact your local representative today to learn more and allow us to digitize your dealership.